Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a steakhouse. In this video, you will follow a short and simple story about two coworkers having dinner together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How does David want his steak cooked? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Well, here we are. This is the steakhouse I was telling you about.
Wow, it looks really nice from the outside. The lights are so warm and beautiful.
Yeah, this place has a wonderful atmosphere. I come here for special dinners.
I'm a little nervous. I've never been to a real American steakhouse before.
Don't worry, Erin. You're gonna love it. The food here is really amazing.
What do you usually order when you come here?
I always get the ribeye steak, medium rare. It's the best thing on the menu.
Medium rare? What does that mean?
I'll explain it to you later. It's about how the steak is cooked inside.
Oh, okay. I think I have a lot to learn tonight.
That's the fun part of trying a new place. You'll learn new words, too.
That's true. I want to learn English words about food and restaurants.
Then this is the perfect place for you. You'll hear many new words tonight.
I'm ready. I brought my notebook just in case.
That's a good idea. You're always prepared. This is a great place to practice. The waiters are very friendly here.
That's good to hear. I hope I don't make any mistakes tonight.
Don't worry about it. I'll help you with everything. That's why I'm here.
Thank you, David. You're always so kind to me.
You're welcome. Shall we go inside? I think I can smell the steak already.
Yes, please. I'm getting hungry just standing here.
Me too. Let's head in. I'll open the door for you.
Thank you. Oh, it's so warm and cozy inside.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people are in your party tonight?
Good evening. 2 people, please. We have a reservation.
Wonderful. May I have your name, please?
Yes, the reservation is under the name David Miller.
Let me check. Yes, I see it here. A table for 2 at 7 o'clock.
That's right. Thank you so much.
Would you prefer a window seat or a table in the main dining area?
A window seat would be lovely, if that's possible.
Of course. We have a beautiful one available tonight. Please follow me this way.
Thank you very much. This place is so fancy inside.
Thank you. We try to create a warm and relaxing atmosphere for our guests.
You did a wonderful job. We feel very welcome here.
That's so kind of you to say. Here is your table by the window.
Oh, it's beautiful. Look at all the lights in the garden outside.
Yes, our garden looks especially nice in the evening with the soft lights.
I can already tell this is going to be a special dinner.
I'm happy to hear that. Here are your menus for tonight.
Thank you. They look so nice with a leather cover.
Your waitress will come to take your order in just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you so much for your help.
Can I bring you some water while you wait to order?
Yes, please. Water would be great. Thank you very much.
Of course. I'll be right back with your water. Please enjoy your wonderful dinner tonight.
Thank you very much. We will enjoy it.
Okay, let's take a look at the menu. There are so many good things here.
Wow, this menu is really big. I don't even know where to start.
Don't worry, let me help you understand it. It's divided into sections.
Sections? What do you mean?
Well, at the top, you have appetizers. Those are small dishes to start the meal.
Oh, I see. What are some good appetizers here?
I like the shrimp cocktail and the garlic bread. Both are very popular.
Shrimp cocktail sounds interesting. I've heard of it, but never tried it.
It's cold shrimp with a red sauce. It's refreshing before the main meal.
That sounds good. What comes after the appetizers?
Next is the main course. This is where the steaks are listed.
I can see many different types of steak. What are the differences?
Good question. There are many cuts of beef. Let me explain the popular ones.
Please do. I really want to learn.
First, there's the ribeye. It has a lot of flavor because of the fat inside.
I see. It sounds really rich.
Next is the sirloin. It's a bit leaner and has a nice, simple beef flavor.
Leaner means less fat, right?
Exactly. And then there's the filet mignon. It's the most tender cut.
Tender means soft and easy to eat?
Yes, that's right. It's very soft, but it has less flavor than the ribeye.
Wow, I'm learning so many new words tonight.
After the main course, you have the side dishes, things like potatoes and vegetables.
Side dishes come with the steak?
Usually, you choose 1 or 2 sides to go with your steak.
That's nice. I love mashed potatoes.
Me too. They're one of my favorite sides here.
Do they make them fresh every day?
I believe so. Everything here tastes very fresh.
That's wonderful. I love restaurants that care about quality.
Now, before we order, I need to explain something important about steak.
What is it?
When you order a steak, the waiter will ask you how you want it cooked.
Oh, really? How many choices are there?
There are usually 5 levels. Let me tell you about each one.
Please, I want to choose the right one.
The first one is rare. It's almost not cooked inside. The middle is red and very soft.
Red inside? That sounds a little scary for me.
Don't worry. The next one is medium rare. The middle is pink and warm.
Pink is a little better than red, I guess. What's next?
Medium. The middle is a lighter pink, and it's a bit more cooked.
Okay, I'm starting to understand the difference.
Then there's medium well. Only a small pink part is left in the middle.
And the last one?
Well done. The steak is fully cooked with no pink inside at all.
So, which one is the best?
Many people say medium rare is the best. That's what I always get here.
Why medium rare?
Because the steak is juicy and tender. The flavor is very strong and beefy.
Juicy means full of tasty liquid, right?
Exactly. A good steak should be juicy, not dry.
I'm a little scared of the pink part, but I want to try medium rare tonight.
Really? That's great. You're being brave.
If it's your favorite, I want to try it too. I trust you.
You're going to love it, I promise.
Okay, I've decided. Medium rare it is.
Also, one more thing. Do you want a salad before the steak?
Yes, that would be nice. What kind of salad is good here?
The Caesar salad is a classic choice. It's simple, but really tasty.
I love Caesar salad. Let's get that too.
Perfect. Now we're all set. I'll call the waitress over.
Excuse me, could we order now, please?
Of course, sir. Thank you for waiting. What would you like to start with?
We'd like to start with 2 Caesar salads and 1 shrimp cocktail to share.
Excellent choice. 2 Caesar salads and 1 shrimp cocktail. And for the main course?
For me, I'll have the ribeye steak, please.
A ribeye. And how would you like it cooked, sir?
Medium rare, please.
Very good. And for the lady?
She'll have the ribeye too, also medium rare.
2 ribeye steaks, both medium rare. A wonderful choice.
Thank you. We'd also like mashed potatoes and grilled vegetables for our sides.
Mashed potatoes and grilled vegetables. Got it. Would you like any sauce with your steak?
Yes, please. What sauces do you offer tonight?
We have a classic pepper sauce, a mushroom sauce, and a red wine sauce.
The mushroom sauce sounds great. We'll take 2, 1 for each steak.
Perfect. And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a glass of red wine, please, and she'll have sparkling water.
1 glass of red wine and 1 sparkling water. Anything else for now?
No, I think that's everything for now. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let me repeat your order to make sure I have it right.
Please do.
2 Caesar salads, 1 shrimp cocktail, 2 ribeye steaks, both medium rare,
Yes, that's correct.
with mashed potatoes, grilled vegetables, and mushroom sauce on the side.
That's right. You have a good memory.
Thank you, sir. And 1 glass of red wine and 1 sparkling water.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll bring your drinks and solids right away. Enjoy your evening.
Wow, look at those steaks. They look absolutely perfect.
They smell amazing too. I can see the steam coming off.
The mushroom sauce looks delicious on top. Shall we start eating?
Yes, please. I can't wait any longer.
Be careful, the plate is very hot.
Okay, thank you. Let me cut a small piece first.
Take your time. Enjoy every bite.
Here goes. Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
This is amazing. So juicy and tender.
See, I told you, the medium rare is the best choice.
You were right. I was worried about the pink color, but it's so soft and full of flavor.
That's the magic of a good steak. When it's cooked right, it's so soft you don't need to chew it much.
I understand now why you always order it this way. I was wrong to be scared.
Don't worry about it. Many people feel the same way the first time.
How is your steak, David?
It's perfect, as always. This place never disappoints me.
Can I try the mushroom sauce with mine?
Of course, just put a little on each piece. It adds a lot of flavor.
The sauce is so rich and creamy.
I knew you'd like it. How are the mashed potatoes?
They're wonderful, so smooth and buttery.
And the grilled vegetables?
They're really good too. Everything on this plate is perfect.
The chef here uses the best fresh ingredients.
You can really taste the quality in every bite.
That's what makes this place so special to me.
I can see why you love coming here.
I'm so glad you're enjoying it. This is what I wanted for your first steakhouse experience.
Thank you, David. I'll never forget this meal.
You don't have to thank me. Seeing you happy is enough for me.
You're such a kind person. I'm lucky to have you as my senior at work.
And I'm lucky to have you as my junior. Now, finish your steak before it gets cold.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling now? Full?
Completely full. I ate every single bite. That was the best meal of my life.
I'm really happy to hear that. Would you like some dessert or coffee?
I couldn't eat anything else. My stomach is so happy right now.
All right then, let me ask for the check.
The check? Oh, you mean the bill?
Yes, they mean the same thing. In American restaurants, people often say check.
I see. That's another useful word to remember.
Also, in America, you need to leave a tip at the end of the meal.
A tip? How much should I leave?
Usually, 15 to 20% of the total bill is normal.
20% is a lot. Is it really necessary?
Yes, it's a big part of the waiter's salary here. It's important to remember.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you for teaching me.
No problem. That's why I wanted to bring you here, to teach you these things.
Now I understand why tipping is so important here.
Yes, it's a big cultural difference between Japan and America.
Should we split the bill tonight?
No, tonight's on me. It's my treat.
Oh, David, you don't have to do that. It's too expensive.
I want to. You're my friend, and this is a special night for you.
Thank you so much. You're the best.
Next time, you can treat me to sushi or something.
Deal. I know a great sushi place.
Here's the waitress. Let me pay the check now.
Okay, I'll wait here.
All done. Are you ready to go?
Yes. David, I have to tell you something.
What is it?
Next time we come here, I want to order the steak by myself in English.
Really? I'd love to see that.
I learned so many words tonight. Ribeye, medium rare, mushroom sauce.
You're already a steakhouse expert. I'm proud of you.
Thanks to you. Let's come back here again soon.
Definitely. Now let's head home. It's getting late.
Okay. Thank you again for this wonderful evening, David.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How does David want his steak cooked? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.